Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how you can change the phone number in TikTok on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, you will need to go to the TikTok app on your devices. And then you're going to click on Profile in the lower right-hand corner. Then in the top right corner, you click on the three bars. Settings and Privacy. Then you open your account. You open User Information. Phone number. And in order to change your phone number, we're going to have to go with you. You'll probably see this menu here. It'll say Change Phone Number or Unlink Phone Number. You'll click Change Number. And then you have to write here any phone number that you want to link to. You will receive a confirmation code. You will confirm it by SMS. After that, your phone number will change to the one you changed. This is how easy it is to change and modify your cell phone number in TikTok on any device. If you helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you all very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.